Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel. So hey, you made it to part 2 of this tutorial or demonstration, whatever you want to call it. You on part 2, you feel me? So this is what the wig look like. She looks good, and this is what it looks like on me. It looks better, you feel me? So yes, let's do this glueless install because I got a new product. All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do an install with the Yaki Straight 28-inch unit with HD lace. So I already customized this wig. If you want to see how I did it, I will leave a video down below for you guys, or in the I bar, whatever. So today I have some new Ebin. Oh my god. Okay, so Facebook friends, you guys on Facebook told me to try the black can. So the beauty supplies does not have this, so I had to order this off of Amazon. So this, supposedly, I seen some reviews and people was like it's waterproof. I highly doubt that, but it says it's extreme firm hold, supreme, fast drying, no residue or buildup, 20 times holds, sweat resistant. We shall see. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my stocking cap, and then we're gonna apply this. Using this type of spray to apply your wigs is super easy and super fast. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16. I'm gonna put this all over my stocking cap. It's tinted under there. So this is what the hairline looks like. She looks good. Okay, it's gonna work from side to side. So I'm gonna shake this up. So I'm gonna pull this down and I'm gonna just spray. Okay, so now that this side is down, we're gonna do the middle and then the side. Okay, so since it's like 80% dry, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my rat tail and just, you see like this area right here, this is stuck down. So I'm gonna etch it out with the tail of the comb. Make sure I do that for the entire hairline. And this side is good. All right, done. So I'm gonna make a slit right here down the middle. And then I am going to pin the baby hairs back. That lace looks so good. Okay. Boom. Okay. Now I over bleached right here, so we're gonna correct that after we're done. So I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on this side to this side. Okay, so now that the baby hairs are done, I'm gonna go in with the Ebin spray, spray my hairline and wrap it down with an elastic band. Okay. So I know y'all looking like, girl, what? Like, what happened to your wig? So let me tell y'all a little quick what happened. All right, so I used the Ebin spray and it stayed on for 4 days, right? It was lifting in certain areas, but it stayed on, it stayed down, right? The night that I was filming, my boo was here, right? And I went to the kitchen to get something out the kitchen. And usually I walk around my house with Crocs or socks or whatever type of house shoes I usually walk around the house. So this particular day, I don't know what was going on with me, but I didn't have nothing on my feet. It was just bare feet and wood. I ended up stepping on a glass shard, a piece of glass. And girl, that was the most traumatic situation ever because my foot was literally bleeding a lot. And I thought maybe like it stabbed me and came out, you feel me? But no, it did not. It actually stabbed me and broke in my foot. So that night I stopped recording and I ended up, going to sleep or whatever like that. And I was thinking to myself, maybe it just, like I said, maybe it just stabbed me. Let me fix this chair. There we go. Maybe it just stabbed me and, my foot is healing. That piece of glass that's as thin as a piece of string had other plans for me. So I came into my workroom and I intended to do customer orders and to record YouTube the following day. Okay, and let me tell you, I was like, let me try to put some pressure on that foot. It's my right foot at that. And I went and I tried to put pressure right here. I was standing up right here going through my little hair closet, and it just felt like somebody just stabbed me in my foot. So I said, no. And mind you, I had a full day. I was doing installs. My friend Janisha, the girl with the bob that I just posted, I did that wig that day. And if you see that video, you see the wig is still on because I was wearing the wig. And yeah, so I had a full day. I was like, okay, I could get through this day. I'm hopping, I'm on my tippy toes, I'm hopping because it happened at the middle of my foot, right? I'm flat-footed, so my foot is gonna my feet is gonna feel everything because I'm so flat-footed. So I did YouTube that day. I did Janisha's hair that day. I prepped customers' orders that day. Took my butt to the hospital. And I walked into the hospital limping, everything, trying not to put pressure on my foot because it hurt so bad. And I went to the ER and I was like, I need help. I have glass in my foot. They're looking at me like, girl, you in here for that? Like, yes, I tried everything. I tried soaking my foot. I tried everything to get it out. And it just would not come out. It was too deep, right? So they take me into the ER or whatever like that. And basically I have to get a shot in my foot. And it stung. Like, oh my goodness, it stung. If you ever had to get something removed from your foot to numb it, it stung so bad. I literally screamed. Oh my goodness. But yeah, so they took a little scalpel and they shaved off the area of my foot. So it's like a little hole in the bottom of my foot, which means I cannot put pressure on my feet as of yet. She did get the glass out, okay? I have crutches, okay? I am hopping, okay? So it was a traumatic past 4 days. I'm just gonna say that. So that's the reason why I couldn't really do the ending of that video, but we're gonna do the ending now. So I'm gonna put the wig back on for you guys, and then we're gonna just do the end cap. But what I'm going to tell you is that Ebin black spray did last for about 4 days. Is it waterproof? Is it sweatproof? I don't sweat on my face, so I can't tell you if it's sweatproof or not. But as far as waterproof, I was taking showers, I took baths and stuff like that. And my wig was lifting. I don't know if it was because of the steam or just because of wear, but it was lifting. It's nothing special from the black can to the red can to the yellow can. To me, they all work the same, but until then, I am going to put this wig on. So that was a quick little story time. Okay. So I didn't even wash the wig. I just flat ironed it back to make it look back flowy. My hairline is still set the way that it was that first day that I put this on. So we just gonna go ahead and put her back on and spray her down. Okay, so the wig is on. She on. So now I'm gonna do my baby hairs and then I'm gonna wrap her down with my elastic band. I look cute. Okay, and this is my wig. Okay, she looks really good. I really love this hair texture. I so love this hair texture. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. I will leave everything that I use in this video down below in the description box, best friend. Okay, and until next time, bye, best friend.